Neurons decoded. What are they and how they operate? Neurons are the fundamental units of the nervous system, playing a vital role in transmitting information throughout the body. From sensory perception to motor function, neurons are involved in every aspect of human experience. Introduction to neurons. What are neurons? Neurons are specialized cells that facilitate communication within the nervous system. They are responsible for transmitting electrical and chemical signals, allowing the brain to interpret and respond to stimuli. Importance in the nervous system. The nervous system relies on neurons to relay information between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. Without neurons, basic functions such as movement, sensation, and cognition would be impossible. Structure of neurons. Neurons have a distinct structure that enables them to carry out their functions effectively. Cell body. The cell body, or soma, contains the nucleus and other organelles essential for cellular function. Dendrites. Dendrites are branched extensions of the cell body that receive signals from other neurons and transmit them toward the cell body. Axons. Axons are long, slender projections that conduct electrical impulses away from the cell body and toward other neurons or target cells. Synapses. Synapses are specialized junctions between neurons where communication occurs. Neurotransmitters released from one neuron can excite or inhibit the activity of neighboring neurons. Types of neurons. There are several types of neurons, each with its own function and morphology. Sensory neurons. Sensory neurons transmit signals from sensory organs such as the eyes, ears, and skin to the central nervous system. Motor neurons. Motor neurons carry signals from the central nervous system to muscles and glands, enabling voluntary and involuntary movements. Interneurons. Interneurons facilitate communication between sensory and motor neurons within the central nervous system, playing a crucial role in information processing and integration. Functioning of neurons. Transmission of signals. Neurons communicate through a combination of electrical and chemical signals. Electrical impulses travel along the length of the axon, while chemical neurotransmitters are released at the synapse to relay signals to the next neuron. Role in information processing. Neurons integrate incoming signals from multiple sources, enabling complex information processing and decision-making within the nervous system. Neuronal communication. Electrical signaling. Electrical impulses, known as action potentials, propagate along the axon of a neuron in response to stimuli. Chemical signaling. At the synapse, neurotransmitters are released from the presynaptic neuron and bind to receptors on the postsynaptic neuron, triggering a response. Role of neurons in the brain. Neurons play a crucial role in various cognitive processes, including memory formation, learning, and emotion regulation. Memory formation. Neuronal networks in the brain undergo structural and functional changes to encode and store memories. Learning processes. Neuronal plasticity allows the brain to adapt and learn from experiences, shaping behavior and cognition over time. Neuronal disorders. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by the progressive degeneration of neurons, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease affects the dopaminergic neurons in the brain, resulting in movement impairments and tremors. Neurons and artificial intelligence. Neural networks in artificial intelligence are inspired by the structure and function of biological neurons, enabling machines to learn from data and perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. Conclusion. Neurons are the building blocks of the nervous system, playing a fundamental role in cognition, behavior, and overall health. Understanding how neurons operate is essential for advancing our knowledge of the brain and developing treatments for neurological disorders. Unique FAQs. How do neurons communicate with each other? Neurons communicate through a combination of electrical impulses and chemical neurotransmitters at specialized junctions called synapses. What happens when neurons malfunction? Malfunctioning neurons can lead to a variety of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and epilepsy. Can neurons regenerate after injury? While neurons do not regenerate as readily as other cells in the body, some degree of neuronal regeneration and plasticity can occur, especially in the peripheral nervous system. How are neurons related to artificial intelligence? Artificial neural networks are computational models inspired by the structure and function of biological neurons, enabling machines to learn from data and perform tasks such as image recognition and natural language processing. What are some ways to keep neurons healthy? Maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and engaging in activities that stimulate the brain, such as reading and problem solving, can help keep neurons healthy and functioning optimally.